again in emoji unboxing or e-commerce or whatever that is. So basically, this is actually the latest unboxing that I just tried to record last week. So it was basically some other collectibles from my collection. I guess it was just usual. So it was a Grand Theft Auto 4 Liberty City map collectibles that basically originates on the PlayStation 3, obviously, because the PlayStation 4 didn't have any Grand Theft Auto 4 release. So that's the reason why, for some reason, this one is pretty rare. So it's already has a little bit more expensive price than the Grand Theft Auto 5 San Andreas map or Santos and Blaine County maps. That's the reason this one is actually 2.5 more expensive than the GTA 5 maps, even though it's still technically cheap, especially when I suddenly have some unused marketplace free shipping cost promotion for around $2. So this one is around $2.5. So yeah, that's the reason why it's basically pretty cheap, and it used to be already been on my shopping cart on this favorite marketplace for quite a long time, but it eventually got sold into another buyer, obviously, and then for some reason the seller decided to restock the map, and I just immediately bought it, even though for the other collectibles, the similar one that basically come from the Grand Theft Auto 4 Complete Edition, which includes the Los Andam and the Ballad of Gay Tony, but suddenly it was not restocked yet, I guess, until now. I'm not sure, I haven't checked the seller again, but yeah, I decided to buy this instead, because I'm still currently have some unused free shipping cost promotion as well right now, so I think I will try to buy another map collectibles if there is any of those things that I haven't been on yet, but if not, then I will try to buy a book, perhaps, I'm not sure, which is basically unnecessary novel translation Indonesian book, because yeah, it's just pretty curious because it was used to be an American TV show, but it has a novel book as well, so even I never really watched the TV show. And for the second package, it's actually a pretty good package. It was the Logitech G29, G29, or G920, or G923 shifters, which is basically pretty cheap. But this one I tried to bought secondhand, it's still in very good condition, and it's actually half the price of the market of what basically come in the marketplace. So that's the reason I just immediately tried to buy this shifter. I definitely cannot test it because yeah, it's been a while that I didn't use my Logitech G25 again, and I didn't own the converter into the USB directly as well, so which is basically cost the same as this shifter as well. So I'm not sure whether I will try to buy it in the future or not, but yeah, basically I just don't get it what the seller that basically sell these things, because he used to selling a playset challenge, which is basically a custom rig that I sadly missed because it was basically very cheap. He's only tried to sell it for around $35, while the common market price for those playset challenge is actually around $250. That's just pretty crazy, but yeah, I decided to have to lose it because yeah, I just prefer to buy this instead. Besides, I'm still currently on very low insufficient funds on my main account, especially after I tried to save more money for my trip, which is basically gonna be in this week. So that's the reason why I most likely will try to upload any more videos. I'm not sure. So the feeling is much better than the